Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello, everybody, and I hope you all are doing well. And thank you for commenting on this my previous videos. Uh, and thank you for coming back. Now let's get started with today's analytics. So we are not having any high impact news into the market today. So most likely, I'm anticipating that the price can still be in range, and we are not going to break any extreme external liquidity. So let's move to the charts and see what the price is telling. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and what I can see right now here is that price had been sweeping the previous month's highs and lows. Like we swept the high and moved into the downward side, and then we swept the low and then moved into the upside direction. So let's move to the weeklies. So as we move into the weeklies, what we see is that even if the price wants to break this particular high to confirm the bullish bias, we are having this inverted FVG because the price was supposed to move into the upside direction after mitigating this particular FVG and then continue the journey into the upside direction. But here we moved into the downward side, uh, and not only that, we were having this volume imbalance area. The price didn't sustained above this volume imbalance area and moved into the downward side. So for now, what we see is that these both of these levels uh, can act as a possible resistance zone for the price, since the order flow had shifted at these areas. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, the chart becomes a little complicated, but this is the uh, weekly volume imbalance zone, which could be seen here, and it is the FVG. So within this area, we see this particular flip zone or the order block from where the price should have sprung up into the upside direction. But what happened was, let me mark it. What happened was, instead of moving into the upside direction, the price failed it and we moved into the downward side. So now it will act as a resistance for the price to move into the upside direction. So I'm anticipating that most likely price is going to tap something over here, and then it will be a resistance zone for the price to move into the further upside direction. So apart from that, what we have here is that we are having this FVG, and it is a daily FVG. The price tapped the FVG and moved into the upside direction. Uh, we took the liquidity of the previous day, and apart from that, we are having this BPR, which is quite an extreme zone. But if the price is having the intent of taking this resistance zone as resistance zone, most likely we are going to go up, take this liquidity, and then come down towards this particular BPR. Uh, that will be a matter to see, but right now we are having this as a strong low. Let's see how the price reacts to this particular level. So let's move to the 4 hours. As we move into the 4 hours, what we see is that the price had taken liquidity over here and then sprung up, creating one BPR. And currently, what we are doing is we are tapping this BPR and moving into the upside direction. So the ultimate target right now is this particular high, or most likely this particular high, for the price to breach, because all of the stop losses are supposed to be sitting right above it. So let's move to 2 hours now. As we move into the 2 hours, what we see is that this is the 4 hour charts BPR. We took some kind of a liquidity and the price is moving into the upside direction. So if we get a close above this level, particularly, then most likely then it will convert into the strong low, and I will be trading within this candles, this particular range, and will place a buy trade till this level. Let's mark. Let's see how many pips is this 16 pip. I'll scalp through it, and we'll we'll try to take a trade within this channel's range. So it is quite a good setup for now, because the price is uh, having a sharp turn. We are disrespecting this FVG, and we are moving into the upside direction. So it seems to be quite a weak high for comparatively, because the price before this particular range, the price was reluctant to make any FVGs. And then we made one FVG and disrespected it. Now that the price had already taken liquidity, most likely this move is going to take all of the liquidity sitting right above this range, and that will be a matter to see and place a trade. So let's move to the 30 minutes. So 30 minutes tells the similar story, because all of the lower time frame trends have already turned into bullish. I have marked this level as a minor resistance zone, so we can possibly see a resistance till this level, but I'll still be waiting for the price to get a close above this particular candle's range, this particular high, uh, for the confirmation that we have turned into the bullish trend. Uh, for now, I'm anticipating that if if the price is going to get a close above this Asia range, most likely this will turn into the strong zone. It will be my uh, invalidation zone, that if the price is going to reach this level, most likely I'll turn into bearish. But for now, I'm bullish into the market. And if the price closes above this particular range, then I will be placing a buy trade till this particular zone. So this is my analysis for today. Do write me into the comments that what are your thoughts, and what are your uh, analysis over the chart, and how do you see the market today. So this is pretty much it, and do write me into the comments if any concept is not clear. And do write me into the comments if any concept is not clear to you. Apart from that, thank you for watching the video, and keep learning and keep trading.